Breno aso Tuesday CBR no yet na say wo portions restaurant na menye wo favorite personality no abro say inyimpa anytime me share Ohemaa CBR no me prepare mo because for me or a woman of God papa you be a miss nature influence my brabo a lot into no me respect na pa so Sunday me we say me be za me dey we aze nyeme basa na yeze test aza oye papa ekuri ye ija ekuri ye nsu na ekuri ye ember na se ehwe Ohemaa na brabo a nsu time no onye ije nyinara no wafom nso no maame no odanwara or bright papa ntino itumi hu de oyo obi anyame no wosrakese wono do no nyame niziri ye adwuma papa o start do nyini ye adwuma nyende so besinde nyame da hwara nyini ye adwuma ana pei menya nyame na adom ibiom ma wabaka mansa wa hade ntino ntampanara ma kona menye na hwetwe nkommo antemesi ana pei mama nchia yes. Was that Afibia Tahila or
of course.
And so was that Afibiano.
So that they make it up man. Tahila will still reign. And immediately the Nyankopon. The more Yerko Yenim, the more we could reveal the Tahila and the train. And this year no level and Yamidi you know are amazing. Very, very. Because in Paim Revelation Yamidima was to bring up revival. And for me, bringing up revival and business nyamida abasema or say the nation Ghana needs revival. Individually ye hear revival. Ye hear de be Kenya ye ho mpa ye hear de be Kenya ye ho ma se nyame nam na di fodo and ankrofo no the message brɛ ya ye betum ejina ne abompa. And for me this year also say ye feed David Ebushia Kumu. Oya the lion of the tribe of Judah there. I'm igniting the lion in you. This year nankasa no be
it's no
ye nim so ye empire ne yederuko ye nim so ye worship nkutin. However the Lord is leading us, I'm telling you it's going to be amazing. I can't wait.
Say enyim Ohemaa Mesia another sakote healer da enyim there is hurricane or ye pepe one for being can only be in fact simple or a moderate kakwa it's no mama this year 20 years Anna how many years
this year my ministry 21 years
until one to adwuma no 21 years this year
21 years
and
the reason why I am celebrating 20 years and is that you pede odi 25 years
okay
na books na museum na nyama nyame direct them nyina na yetuma ye ni nyina ewi
it's a book a museum so a music museum another
for Ohemaa.
Wow, that's good.
And somebody has gifted us a very big land, and very soon 25 years
I can't wait.
The directions at which God is giving me
okay.
The next thing is that this year you're celebrating 12 years for Tahila experience, and the ministry is growing in such a way that we have the campus ministry. The living room experience for up and coming artists. We have Tahila. Now, yes, also another thing that God will reveal to us next year, and He's preparing me towards that, building the eagles for the next phase. It is basically on women. Nyankopon the mom early this year, building women to stand. No matter how the storms comes, empowering women to understand that it is woman that identified evangelism. It is woman that brought up Christianity. It is woman, true woman, that the revelation of worship came. Let's take Mary Magdalene, for example. Ono no chere ye de. Say dru nyame nanima or de ja wonnyina to the extent that hey nyame wa jime free boni aname wo mu da no de me Dimitri win ada ne bo ye den me the nyame. It is through Mary Magdalene that we came up as worship to understand that he is the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, and nothing above him. Let me tell you, and I will emphatically say that he is so powerful to even come and do your problems for you. Or so many angels more but it is only when you worship what him. Want to be so many angel or the nankase son. And there is another weapon you have not tested. It is when you are going through things, you have to understand that when you let God be God, he will come and dwell. And all ban should die. What the solution?
Oba.
Or solve.
No one samarange. No, Ohemaa mercy. And yenya no wahade no Mamanda Portions restaurant for us say. Na hade is a local no continental dishes na waye wahade. You know, anapa breakfast some say my portions one run and for more we are busy biano maybe biano portions or wahade motel wahade wo pub wahabi bia you know what divisions bebre that's na bound that's na inside their condition for who me pede ye biano portions e be do hade ya binya ho na aye na se pede e ba bi we a group of friends na do begigi won anu a chede eba have fun pa is ba no so ye kama the Marantino Portions restaurants. Contact one or 059-743-5345. But was none of your portions, Miss Anna Messi. One number no DBM 059-743-5345. Portions restaurants and pay and the one see ye papa the way we want bono at home exam. Ye but a healer won't come, but me pede be free hoka cra. Okay. I am personally me wonder as was any bro. So if you are not on stage, erotonium, another because me there one paper, and that, you know, say any the minimum, I was not any bro.
I love building.
Is it done?
A done ya door, ya me passion. I'm the you know too free one man.
Wow,
I love building, and it's one secret people don't know.
Hey,
I am always online looking for new designs. I'm always iba me dey ma TV o si ho nyina eda no nkotin ebe nwodo enti the little plot that menye biara I want to just do something with the idea that I have learned. So there is that passion in me in epede manage pa famoko real estate like famoko dandan. Apart from that, I love driving a lot. And I love to explore. I love traveling. I don't my manage is to just explore, like go to places I've never been before. And music. Music is one thing that I really love, and it's not basically about my own alone. I love to listen to foreign music. I love to listen to even some of the hip life. And one thing I want you to know, there's this guy called Shatawale. People don't know who he is. For myself, I have seen who he is. And there is something about him. Say, he will be too dangerous prophetically and evangelism. Because there is something God brought him into this world to do. But still, he himself knows. So I love listening to his songs, and Stonebwoy too. Because some of the messages that they sing about women too much. Something like Tough Seed. I was going through something, I listened to Tough Seed, and it ignited something in me. That, can you imagine baby and sushi now so still.
Wow, fulfill.
Or to me fulfill. Then there is something no to move. There is some specific baby or honoma. Then baby I didn't bet to be obey fifi. And I listened to what friend Shatawale Ninum about fire. Something, there's a song called Fire or something. It actually encourages me a lot. And somebody like my mother Juanita Bynum, her 24/7 eba me dey ma
Oh, Anita,
because the messages that this was, I listened to Ram's Horn, and it changed everything about me somewhere 2003. And it brought myself to me. I actually activated it immediately. I listened to the Ram's Horn and some may Ohemaa mercy nankasa of the message.
The way I can was no, and you were lots of impact all the power.
A lot. And messages. A lot. Especially preaching.
Into young way you for the you nekekeno. Beats na aneja sauna.
They be me messaging and sana my pick. It doesn't matter who is singing the song. I listen to the message.
Shatawale na Stone Boy, Asia Honda.
Asia Stone Boy once.
When
Shatawale dementia.
Is Stone Boy when?
Oh, it was a studio. And a radio station.
And the reception was good.
Very, very good. Of course, when you meet them, they make you feel like, oh, you are our own. And it's so lovely.
I consider there be a new woman be in your manner. Because it's a lot of collaborations between gospel artists.
One person that is so in line with my ministry, Black Sheriff. That guy.
Yeah, expect a collaboration, Anna.
If there is someone I would love to do.
Ohemaa best featuring Black Sheriff. Wow.
Because when you Adom, that gentleman, you see, when you see them, most of my yes side prophesy near Bombay, their messages carry so much weight. Some of the messages, it carries so much weight that it a message now. You them know this is from God. Now no true message in Ankasa no on task. This is from God. Our young Tahila.
Okay. But not be padenka. We building some known so me pademi bisa asemi o honom nanka ye move on ko Tahila. Nti no me pademi hu dey abas no inspire them desire there sisi than be from childhood.
It was from my childhood. And I'm mommy work classroom to force them go a teacher. I love teaching, seeing children too. But building is something that may sure there. What won't be as in Ankasan? Madam Mammy, and then make the doom because I love seeing building. Even my house that I'm living in.
What was with you so far?
It was designed by myself.
What's with you so far?
Oh, the man.
That's meaning. And I was done by him.
Oh, so far, me were bare for.
Wow. Going to real estate another day.
Young mom pie me come.
Wow.
I'm preparing myself for that. I'm preparing myself for that.
Sure, mommy.
Yes.
You deserve a papa.
Into a friend, Madam Lance.
Mom, assassin and can assassin in our
and Shanken Yame.
No, what's about into this year to healer experience? Opinion and all. Every year be our opinion, like all that was set.
And in time, our opening never. When I finished dressing, and I said, Papa, take over. No, Abba. My dress area now, like Marsha Mata, now I say, Papa, take over. I see myself being carried by some kind of atmosphere. Meanwhile, I was watching 3 days ago. Tahila experienced 2023, and I started busting in tongues because myself I've not watched.
Yeah.
If you ask people around me, I don't watch what I do because it takes me there. Until I force myself, and we're discussing something. Now me more be every day more, and I saw myself in a different realm. 2023, 2024, the kind of words that came out of me. Me nim baby ofi me anu de waba intino enhyiranka nyame the kind of thing that the Lord wants us to do yenya nhya so me dofo yenya nhya se ye be esukwa to the extent that we want people to see the hand of God when it comes to Tahila another worship.
This year he fan aye call Tahila experience.
This year nyame amaye manka sam papa me papa bodi nyame che ono ye chairman of Ohemaa Mercy Ministries.
Oh wow.
And he also want to experience Tahila experience. E woni go ntino this year wa amaye kwan de ye meye wo ho. And obi be ka say Ohemaa wo na betumi akono diti yes. Ye papa my everything
main auditorium
no. Ye fa main auditorium near for celebration hall. Na outside and so ya so na bo. Very big giant you will feel because 100 day it's very, very good.
Now, are you free?
Tahila will forever be free and forever free because this is a covenant we have the law.
Marty, Ohemaa, you remember until no share camera you not to say for be done Tahila, but dates BBA Mahena.
On the 14th of September, untumentina fee. If we say when you me person who bomb punimpu. Obienya na dance here all this year 12 years ago. Said the entafo ba, said the adwuma ba, omo mutu kwan ne ba. Mr. wo ba tro. Wo asama a opesa odu tu nyame ye me the cross kese ebeba besi wonum na fa be na so. Na on the 14th of September, ye papa bodi nyame cho Makers House Chapel, Destiny Arena, Makers House Chapel at exactly 4 p.m. So the IPBA no ye no unim say ebi kura ba so wo nti won so bra na benya baby papa tena na me gidi say this year enso ebeye wo yi a wonyame ebehye.
Okay, Ohemaa Mercy, nyame show papa na minim de manyame ye every year no this year it won't be any different. In fact, overflow.
Nyame show.
Obey who papa ye ba fa Atomic Street no do nyina.
Papa.
Into no ye baba Tahila experience menu who film crowd portions for was one breakfast no aba ye into no ye boto ye ho pono ye na kan fo enyim portions restaurants makacho the local the continental dishes nyina no hana ebinya no won jollof no kofo kan wasampa o ye de ma menyi obe campaign be zibi o kama papa into no bra portions na bra bezizi e wa hade from 0597435 for portions for na on the ways ban kama delivery bia no no hu sem nyina waye wa hade izino e the front door president for the Brothers and Sisters Association share Tahila memory through ate share honum na nyame be pija nsa ma bibiara oda wakomodo no waye exam hana yezu nkomo no ibesi nyame adoma yebesa na yeshia makran one.